guys, Gene back with another video. Today we're doing Indian truck driving. There will be parts, so part 1 is today, part 2 next week. Yep. So here it goes. This one is gonna be a long one, so get your snack, get your popcorn. Yep. Okay, what is this guy doing? Whoa, that's a fall. I might fall. Yeah, I might fall on this one. Don't tell me I'm gonna be stuck. Like, this is only half. No, chicken. Oh, nope, and I'm dead. Frick. No, I didn't. It's hard when I'm trying to record on 2 devices at once, and yep, just this. Okay. No, I don't want that. These little people move out of my way. Don't tell me we're stuck now. Please, please, please. And of course it's we're stuck. Wait, can I walk? Is that even possible if I can walk? Guys, we're walking. Let our truck be in. Let's walk. Okay, yep, I decide this should be a hard challenge. We're walking, guys. No, don't tell me that you jump. Oh, okay, that's not. I thought that was some show. And there's flying boulders. That's great. Probably a developer just saw the video I'm recording in my house right now, and put boulder rocks that can basically crush my head open and knock me out. You better not do it. I made it. 1,000 likes, so I'll jump off. bridge. I'm gonna have to go up. I don't know, I hate those bars. Yep, they scare me. I'm walking with one finger and holding the camera. No. I don't think we could get to 1,000 likes though if I fall off. I don't think we could do it because I don't have much subscribers. I only have 10. Oh, actually, next goal for the subscriber goal is 50 subscribers. So make sure give us a like and subscribe. Next, the video will be the part 2. I can see this start. Okay, no, I was so close from falling off, chat. Okay, guys, we got a checkpoint for checkpoint 1. Yeah, we will be doing part 2. And, yeah, that's it for today's vid. See ya in the next one. Bye. Peace.